Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Kostulas, and today I want to teach you guys how you can become a fitness influencer. So, over the past couple of days, I've been creating my personal brand course. Now, a personal brand is, in my opinion, the best possible business model going forward for anybody. So basically, all personal brand is taking your social media and turning it into a business. And then, whatever it is that you're passionate about, you can literally turn it into a business. And I know that a bunch of my subscribers and followers are into fitness because of ads that I have set up and people that I'm attracting to my stuff. So I thought today that I'd make you guys a short little tutorial on how you can become a fitness influencer and make money from your personal brand. So let's dive right into it. Okay, so how to become a fitness influencer. The name of my fitness brand is Balance Fitness, and I just I have a YouTube playlist. I'll show you guys exactly what you need to do. Starting with step one, let's create your first vlog. What you need to do is talk about a normal day, a day in the life of you working out and what you eat, just recording what you eat and telling people how you eat and showing people what you're eating. Very simple. And then you can make a really cool, like 15-second commercial that you post on Facebook or on Instagram to to reel in your target audience. So for me, I'm trying to get people who are interested in weight loss, and I have this awesome video that I made with one of my clients, Steve, who's lost over, like, in this picture it says 125, but he's lost over like 175 pounds working with me, back when I was working there a couple of years ago. So, I have this video made, and basically people are going to swipe up once they see my short commercial, and then they're going to be brought to this video, and then hopefully they subscribe and turn on YouTube notifications, like that little thing at the bottom of the screen. So, if you guys do not turn on post notifications, you're not really subscribed. And if you want to learn how to make money, with your passion and with your social media, then I suggest you subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to be showing you guys. All right, and the next bullet is going to be, you need to create a product. You need to figure out how you can put together a quick little workout routine, or a nutrition list, put them together, and then put it in a little ebook, and then sell it for $10 or $20. I suggest selling it for, like, 20, then working your way up. Once you have followers and subscribers who are really interested in you, it's very easy to monetize. All you got to do is offer a lot of value and just deliver on those deliver on that value. So let's go to the next thing. All right, so step two that you need to do is you need to run paid traffic to the right audience. So I have a playlist on my YouTube channel called Personal Trainer Videos, and basically, the second somebody hops on my YouTube channel, they, hopefully will subscribe, they enjoy the videos, and then they binge on my content. And it's good when you're on YouTube to create playlists, because if you get someone that's really interested in a specific topic that you're talking about, I have a very diverse channel. I talk about mental health, physical health, how to make money online, how to have your own agency, selling. Like, I talk about so many different things. So making your channel organized is, like, super important when it comes to a personal brand and becoming a fitness influencer. So, to get people to your page, it's very simple. You got to set up some funnels, and you need to set up some ads. And if you guys want an in-depth description of how to set up, the exact funnels that you need and the exact ads that you need, those are going to be in my personal brand course that I'm coming out with in the next week or so. So make sure you guys, you click that link, that one link that I have in the description, and you pick up my passive income ebook. And then once you pick up that ebook, you'll be automatically put on my my email autoresponder. And then, the second I come out with my course, you guys will be the first to know. And, the second it drops, I'm really looking for some testimonials. So the course is going to be extremely cheap for the first week or so. So, if you guys are interested, make sure you check out that ebook in the description below. Let's go to the next slide. All right, step three. Your social media should be your business. You need to learn how you can capture emails of people who are in your target market. So for fitness, obviously, search fitness. For me, I love calisthenics. So like hop on my Instagram for a second. So here's a video of me doing muscle ups, right? So we got a short little video of me doing some muscle ups, and then I can take that video and turn it into a commercial. And then we can bring it on to the Facebook ads platform, and then, collect emails of people who are in that niche. So let's create an ad just to show you guys exactly what it looks like. So obviously, start over. We want to run a traffic ad to collect emails of people, So we're going to call this fitness. So we're going to continue. And then we're going to set up the ad. We're going to set up the demographics. So for me, I want to target people worldwide, again, because how do you get paid on YouTube? Watch time. So the more people that really like you, the more, diehard fans you got, the better. So it doesn't matter where they live in the world, as long as they can understand you. All right, so you want to target people, that are, you're working out. As long as you're putting out, good, valuable content, it doesn't really matter how old these people are. Why did my YouTube video fail? Whatever, it's whatever. I'll fix that in a second. So you want to target all genders. And just type in, for me, I would type in calisthenics. Calisthenics. That's how you spell it. You know what? I'm going to type in body weight training instead. Training. How is body weight training not there? You know what I'm saying? Maybe it's one word. Body weight exercise. There we go. That's what I was looking for. And that's a potential reach of 1,900,000 people and 160 link clicks to 1,000 link clicks per day. Actually, it's more than that. Let me expand the interest a little bit. Whew. Yeah. Oh my God. 360 link clicks, 2,300 link clicks per day. Just running. So you're going to be basically reaching 47,290,000 people in between there for $10 a day, and you're going to be getting 360 to 2,000 people clicking on your 15-second commercial where they swipe up and they go to your YouTube channel. So how many subscribers do you think you can get if you got this many people to see what type of stuff you're putting out there for just $10 a day? Once you look at the long-term value of an email, say you bring that person in, say you bring in 100 people for, $10, and then 2 people buy your course for $20, you made all your money back times, you made like a 4-time return on your money. Think about advertising like that. You got to funnel in and capture as many people as possible. So that's as far as I'm going to teach you guys with the Facebook ads. If you want to learn the in-depth and the exact funnels, the exact ads that I use, y'all have to pick up the course. Sorry. Just the way it is. All right, so that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, we're going to play the animation again. Please subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications, because if you don't, you're not really subscribed. You got to see what I'm posting. You know what I'm saying? Notifications. All right. Appreciate you guys for watching this video. Have a good one.